This video is for the So You Think You Got a Shoal training, AISAP tool, Exercise 1, Create a Project. Before starting, you need an AISAP account with a username and password. Please make sure you have signed up for one. The exercise goal is to learn how to create a project in AISAP. Step 1 is to log onto the AISAP Cloud account. You can see the address up here in the bar. I will go ahead and do that now with my account. Note my email address is my work email address. After I enter the email password, I can now use this login button and I click on it. Step 2 is to click on the green Create New Folder icon. Step 3 is to change the name of this from New Folder to Training. Step 4 is to save this name change by clicking on this blue Save icon. Step 5 is going to be to create a project within this folder. We will do this. We will receive projects. There is a green plus button to create a new project. I click that and now you can see the project window expanded. I'm going to name our project Calcasieu Example. For those not familiar with Calcasieu, it's C-A-L-C-A-S-I-E-U. Then in the notes field, this is for yourself to help you remember project details that you want or any other notes. I am going to put, so you think you have a Shoal training. Now that I changed the text, you can see this save icon is blue, so I'm going to click on that. So now that saves my name changes. That was step 7. And then this exercise 1 is complete. I now have a folder called Training and within it a project called Calcasieu Example.